Every geyser looks powerful online, but what really happens when you actually use it at home? Let's find out. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to ClearBuy. I spend all my time buying and testing home appliances, TVs, soundbars, washing machines, ACs to see how they perform in real life, not just on paper. So you can buy confidently without wasting your money. Everything I share here is from real testing and real experience. So this is the Crompton Arno Neo 15-liter geyser, one of the most popular budget models in India right now. It's available in 6, 10, 15 and 25 liters. And I've been using the 15-liter version for this review, which is perfect for a 3 to 4 member family. In the box, you get fasteners, a safety valve and the user manual, but no connecting pipe. So you'll need to buy them separately for about 250 to 300 rupees. Also, installation isn't free. Either get it done by locally or through urban company for around 450 to 500 rupees. So in total, including pipes, expect to spend around 600 to 700 extra. Design wise, it's clean and simple. Cylindrical body, Crompton logo on the top and the model name below. At the bottom, you'll find a temperature control knob and power heating indicators. Now, there are no temperature markings on the knob, so it's a bit of trial and error to figure out your preferred heat level. The outer shell is metal, which feels sturdy, though I personally wish they would have used a hard ABS plastic. It would have made it safer and more corrosion resistant. Inside, Crompton uses its nano polypon coating to prevent corrosion in the inner tank. There is a 1200 gram copper heating element that helps water heat faster and PEF insulation to keep the water hot for long even after switching off. It's BEE 5-star rated, which means it's designed to save power and still give efficient heating. You also get 3-level safety, thermostat, thermal cutout and safety valve. Pretty standard in this range. It's an 8-bar pressure geyser, so even if you are in a high-rise apartment, it works smoothly. And yes, there is also a magnesium anode rod to prevent rusting and extend the life of the tank. Now, let's come to what actually matters. Real testing. Before heating, the tap water was around 30 degrees. When I kept the temperature knob at half, the geyser cut off in about 2 minutes 17 seconds and the water temperature reached around 39 degrees. That's fine for a quick mild wash. But when I set the knob to full, it cut off at around 15 minutes and the temperature went up to 64 degrees. So yes, it heats up decently fast and provides enough hot water for 2 bucket baths or 1 long shower, which is good for small families. But when I compared it with other geysers in this price range, most of them reached around 70 degrees or even higher, and a few premium ones went up to 90 degrees at full temperature. So while heating performance is sufficient for normal use, it does feel slightly lower compared to the rest. I just wish it could have pushed it up at least 70 degrees. That would have made it perfect. Noise-wise, it's very silent. I measured around 48 dB and honestly, you won't even notice when it's running. So coming to the conclusion, if you get this geyser under 5,000 rupees during offers and your area has less salty water, then you can definitely consider it. It does the job well for everyday use. But honestly, if you can stretch your budget by around 1,000 rupees more, there are some better storage geysers out there. One of the best I've tested is the Higher Precise Pro, which usually comes around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. It offers free installation, free pipes, a glass line tank, an Incolai 800 heating element and even a temperature meter. The water can reach up to 90 degrees, which is excellent for those who prefer hotter water. I've already made a detailed review on that model. You can find it out in our channel. And if you're exploring more options, the V-Guard Divino and AOSmith SHG series are also really good choices. So this is my honest take on this Crompton Arno Neo 15-liter geyser. If this video helped you even a little, a like and your 1 subscribe really keeps me motivated to test and share more honest reviews every day. If you are planning to buy one, I have shared the geyser links in the description. It supports the channel and costs you nothing extra. And if you have any questions or doubts, drop a comment. I read every single one. Thank you for being here. I am Pooja from ClearBuy. See you in the next one.